A virtual meeting is a meeting conducted online audio and video elements with the help of the Internet. Business organizations conduct virtual meetings for team collaborations to share crucial information and communicate with each other in real time regardless of their location, thereby allowing for flexibility. As remote work has become common since the pandemic started, most businesses rely on virtual meetings or conduct board meetings online to share and communicate on crucial business matters. With virtual meetings becoming the new normal for businesses, few companies are taking advantage of sophisticated technologies like artificial intelligence to conduct more effective virtual meetings and successfully make online collaborations. Onpassive Connect is an AI-enabled video conferencing platform and enables businesses to conduct engaging virtual meetings with seamless connectivity. The platform is loaded with multiple features such as auto-language transition, converting speech to text, scheduling events, and attractive chat emojis. Onpassive Connect facilitates real-time collaborations while allowing users dual screening sharing and comes with a detailed dashboard to enable users to track their activities. It is an excellent tool for businesses to have effective virtual collaborations. Besides powerful technologies, companies also need to choose the right video conferencing tools and ensure to follow the good practices to succeed in their efforts towards having effective virtual meetings. Steps to conduct effective virtual meetings. The following are few steps that businesses should follow before conducting virtual meetings. Have clear objectives. The first step before organizing any meeting is to have clear objectives. Let the meeting attendees understand the purpose of the meeting, which makes the entire meeting more productive by effective collaborations. However, the virtual meeting should be shorter to keep all the attendees engaged throughout the meeting. Establish a flexible agenda. To conduct an effective virtual meeting, the organizers should have a clear idea of the scope of the meeting and what can be achieved by organizing it. The leads or managers need to form an agenda for the meeting so that it covers all the crucial points necessary to be discussed and shared with the team. The plan works as a roadmap for the conversation of the meeting and ensures that attendees are not sidetracked and the objectives are met. Assign roles and responsibilities for attendees. The next step for conducting effective virtual meetings and engage all attendees is to assign responsibilities to each member that attends the meeting. However, employees must be aware of their role even before the meeting starts. Although virtual meetings can be challenging, sometimes, the organizations must ensure the online collaborations are participatory by providing enough scope for each participant. Keep the meetings short and effective. For the virtual meeting to be more efficient and effective, the duration needs to be short. The shorter the meeting, the more effective it will be for employees and communicates the message more clearly. The organizers need to limit each online meeting and provide each person with a scope to make it more collaborative and enhance productivity. Turn your meetings into action. Once the virtual meeting is done, organizers need to make sure that all the attendees note down their roles and responsibilities and clearly understand the purpose of the meeting. However, ensure that your meeting is as interactive as possible and ask each participant for real-time feedback on the effectiveness of the meeting and try including more engaging activities to be successful in your virtual meeting. By following the mentioned steps, organizers can have more productive virtual meetings and have effective online collaborations with the team, especially during remote working. Conclusion. Organizations need to follow the right practices and various tools to organize an effective virtual meeting. Therefore, businesses need to follow the right strategies to make their online meeting more collaborative and successful and maximize the participation level of each attendee. When powered with the right technologies, effective virtual collaborations maximize the company's overall productivity, especially during present remote working conditions. A Bill Must Production.